It's the 4th of July and we're outside enjoying a beautiful day. It's not too hot. Alex is in his new Bumbo seat. He's checking out the grass.
About to put it in the pool.
Yeah, we're filling up the swimming pool, the little kiddie pool that we got. Alex, you gonna look up? No. This grass is far too interesting. Hey, let me get that off your nose, huh? There we go. Somebody's getting cranky. Alright, that's enough of that, huh?
Well, Alex just got out of the pool. It's 4th of July. Got the pool out. It's kind of overcast. Yeah, so it was kind of cool for the boy in there, but it was fun, wasn't it? Was it fun, Alex? Yeah.